Hello, this is Donald Addington with Air Performance Service, and this is Ruben Cantu and Mark Lindsay. We wanted to introduce the team that's working on your proposal, as well as give an example of a project that we're currently wrapping up for another customer. We're at 6800 Burleson Road, replacing a similar York YK chiller and a building automation system.
Hello, I'm Ruben Cantu with Air Performance Service, account manager, and I helped put this project together. This project is very similar to Tower of the Hills. There were some obstacles that we had to overcome. We had to take a portion of the wall out to get it in and get it out. We were able to isolate the plant to get this project done during regular business hours. We were able to get the pipe work done. We utilized diamond rigging to get this project, the chiller in and out. And this project is very similar to Tower of the Hills, and we expect about the same time frame from start to completion.
My name is Mark Lindsay. I'm an account manager here with Air Performance Service for the automation team. Today we're looking at 6800 Burleson, where we have changed out a chiller and we've also retrofitted the BAS system. We went from a Schneider-based system to a Niagara-based system. This panel here had multiple controllers in it, and we were able to consolidate it down to this here, which talks to the Jace, and we built a nice graphics package so the building engineers can control their equipment remotely, as well as from any web-based interface.
With about 60 centrifugal chillers under contract and experience doing centrifugal chiller replacements, APS feels we're a pretty good candidate for the job. As you've seen on this project here at 6800 Burleson Road, we've been able to replace one centrifugal chiller while keeping their building up and going during occupancy. We've put a lot of thought into your project, and we've elected to include 2 weeks of temporary chiller rental. Our goal is to pipe the chiller in prior to the start of the project at the existing connections to allow the building to run on portable cooling while we perform the work. We find it best to do this because we're removing 6 pumps and putting 4 pumps back in, as well as replacing the chiller. This scope of work requires repiping basically the entire pump section of the central plant, so the more time we have, the better. While we're working on the central plant, our BAS team will be led by Mark, and they'll be retrofitting your central plant BAS, as well as integrating into your Solidyne system. One of the things that we thought would be different and would set our proposal apart from our competitors, as well as give Charlie and the building exactly what they're looking for, is we're going to integrate into the existing Solidyne system. So Air Performance is a Distech contractor. We work with a company called Control Tech Supply out of Dallas. Control Tech Supply is the sole distributor for Solidyne parts. We're going to go through those guys to get a driver, connect it to the Tritium supervisor that we're including with your central plant controls, and at the end of the project leave you guys with one seamless system. The system will still have Solidyne underneath it in the field, and so a plan to replace over time should be thought about, and we can help you guys budget that as time permits. We really appreciate the opportunity to bid on the central plant project. We hope this video gives you an example of our workmanship and an example of our team, and that we're considered for your project. Have a great week. Thanks.